How to find Discord profile link. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, to see your raw account tracking number, you got to first toggle on Discord's developer interface. So what we want to do is on your mobile, go over to Discord, then go over to the U tab, which is on the bottom right. Now from here, go over and click settings on the top right. Now, what we're going to do is scroll over until we find advanced, and then once you do, what you're going to do is turn on developer mode. So advanced is right here. Make sure developer mode is then turned on. Now once the backend flag is active, you can extract your hardware identity string. So what you want to do is go into any chat or channel. So I'm going to go into mine right now, and then I'm just going to go ahead and find a message from myself. So all I want to do is click on my profile picture, and then I can just like long press on it, or like, just click on my profile, press the three little dots in the top right, and then I'm going to copy user ID. Now I have to stitch it together. So I'm going to open up my notepad. And then once you go ahead and do this, what you want to do is make your following link like this. So HTTPS and then semicolon 2 slashes discord.com and then slash users slash, and then it's going to be, the ID. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the ID right now, and then that's literally it. So once you go ahead and do that, all you're gonna do is either type in the the thing, or what I can do is I copy the username. So I want to copy the user ID. So instead of the username, go ahead and copy the user ID, press paste, and then the user ID is going to be right there. And then I just want to make sure it's all stringed together. Press OK, and then you can send that to whoever you want.